Welcome to the Biomanufacturers Direct YouTube Surface Preparation Learning Series, where today Josh experiments with the installation of an Ardex decorative microtopping. Step 1, as always, is the proper preparation of the surface. Today, Josh is utilizing the trusted reliability of the substrate technology PrepMaster 2807 grinder in tandem with the 3003 AR dust collector and vacuum wand. The diamond grit and segment selection depends on several variables, the first being the hardness of the concrete and the second being the desired profile, which in most cases is determined by the microtopping manufacturer, as specifications vary as predicated by the product's application mills. Next, Josh mixes the Ardex engineered cement base coat using clean and uncontaminated containers. He also uses a clean mixing paddle with drill and roller knee pads which assist the operator. Using a hand trowel, Josh is careful to apply the base coat evenly to ensure a uniform application. He repeats this process several times until the desired result is achieved. Next, Josh enlists what should be a staple in every decorative contractor's truck, and that's the Eddy Orbital 3000 sander. Using a 120 grit screen with a 3003 AR dust collector, the Eddy quickly and efficiently sands the surface, and once again Josh vacuums to ensure the removal of any fine dust. A quality vacuum wand is always recommended regardless of the brand or CFM of the dust collector being used, if only to ensure the vast majority of the dust is removed from the surface prior to the initial base coat application. Any residual dust will not only negatively affect adhesion, but the final aesthetics of the surface itself. Decorative toppings give a contractor a plethora of opportunities to improvise. Base colors are available in several options, in addition to having the ability to add pigments to match specific and existing colors. These level of options offer an ambitious artisan with endless creative freedom. And as with all decorative products, a learning curve is expected before perfecting the application's mechanics. However, with a trowel, bucket, some topping, and a clean concrete canvas, that's all that's required to start honing your skills and express your creative impression. Josh splits the slab using a strip of bond tape and then applies several coats of a color tint to show the difference between the base coat and a color texture. Josh then applies a polyacrylic to preserve the color. The final step is the application of a polyaspartic traffic coat using a dip and roll method. The results of today's experiment exhibit a modest example of the creative possibilities available with microtoppings. The key is using the right equipment in conjunction with quality products. This concludes this Biomanufacturers Direct Learning Series segment. To learn more about the products or processes used in today's video, please reach out to your Biomanufacturers Direct customer support representative. And as always, if you found today's video informative, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to select that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.